Welcome to today's Excel tutorial. Imagine you have a class list in Excel. That includes students' names, subjects, and their scores. Now, let's say you want to find out which students scored above 80 in math. Instead of sifting through the data manually, Excel's filter function can make this task a breeze. Simply use the formula. Type equals filter, open bracket, A2:K11, comma, open bracket, F2:F11, equals, quotation mark, math, quotation mark, bracket close, asterisk, bracket open, G2:G11, greater than 80, close bracket, close bracket. This formula will automatically filter your data and display only the students who scored above 80 in math. It's a quick and efficient way to get the information you need without spending hours on data sorting. Give it a try and see how much time you can save.